Hi boys and girls! Welcome back to the ASEAN Art Room. And today, I will bring you to the country where I was born, the Pearl of the Orient Seas, the Philippines, by making, ta-da, a finger puppet. So this is a crocodile. And do you know why the crocodile? It is because the largest crocodile in the world that is in captivity can be found in the Philippines. And his name was LOLONG. You can Google him up. And now he can be found at his resting place at the National Museum for Natural History. So, man, he is really, really heavy at 1,075 kg. Ooh, so very heavy. We cannot carry him, so we can just make him.
Okay, making a finger puppet is quite easy. So grab the paper, fold it into two, make a crease in the middle, fold it inward. So both sides. The crease at the middle would be your guide. And yes, 4 creases there. Fold it again. And fold the paper. Make a crease in the middle. And after that, fold it inward. And fold it inward again. And flip. Okay, so fold it. And that would give you 2 pockets where you can put your fingers. So now it's talking, right? As though it's talking, rather. Now let's design it. So grab a small piece of green paper and make sure that it's all proportioned to the head of our crocodile. So now get your pencil and make letter U, 2 letter U's that are inverted, or that is also like a letter B. So again, if you know your alphabets, you can make this very easy. Okay, so now cut it into 2. One is for the eyes, and there's an allowance. Just fold it. One for the eyes, and then one would be for the nose. Yeah, make sure that you have put an allowance. And now let's put the design or the details. Okay, we can just like cut it accordingly. If you feel like it's too big, then you can cut it. And grab a small piece of white paper, fold it, and make a rectangle. You can make it smaller. Make sure that it can fit inside the letter B or the 2 inverted letter U. So now it's okay. Just cut the edges. Curve, yeah. So now let's design, put the eyeballs. It's just a circle and a white. There you have it. And after that, grab a red colored paper. Okay, again, make sure that it is proportioned to the mouth from the finger puppet body that we created, or head. Yeah, there you go. Letter U again, and cut it. And now we will have to glue everything in place. Okay, make sure that you're putting it at the right place. Okay. There you have it. Don't put it on the side where you have the pockets. Okay? Or else your crocodile won't talk or won't be able to open its mouth. So let's put the nose and then the eyeballs. Yeah. Then another one. And now let's add some design. So, like crocodile skin. You can use a crayon if you like. Okay, you can design it whatever way you like, or maybe you can even put a ribbon on it. Like, or you can put like a very long eyelash. Okay, for me, it's a male crocodile. Okay, so again, we glued it at the right place. Okay, then now we'll put the sharp teeth. Yeah, it's just like zigzag or letter V, several letter V that you put together. And there we have it. Go enjoy your crocodile.